Yes, so my country people, I greet you especially. The International Football Association Board don't agree say they won't do trial of a new orange card system for football matches. This new orange card system or sin bins now rule where they want borrow from the sport where them they call rugby. And the reason why they want introduce this new card system that to improve the way people when they participate, people when they play football, they behave, and to give football officials them more respect. And according to the report, them this na the way this new orange card or sin bins go work. If a player commit offense when the ref think say pass yellow card, but that offense no worth for him to give the player red card, him go knack the player this orange card. And if they knack you this orange card, you go come out for the game, go sit down for one corner for 10 minutes before you go come back to the game. And according to the report, them go use this sin bins or orange card for dissent and tactical foul. Dissent now when be say ref give you card, you can't they go clap on for in front. That one na dissent. Dissent now when be say ref they talk, you can't they go shout back give am. That one na dissent. Maybe ref don't blow fire against you, don't knock you yellow card, you can't kick ball through away. That one na dissent. So now these situations them they say they want use this new card systems for. But me personally, I don't think say the current football card system will be the yellow card and red card need any change. But I say make I carry this matter come put for table for area. Make you too self talk your own opinion how you see this matter. You think say this one a good idea, this new development a good idea, or make them no change the current card system because to me, wetin no spoil, they no suppose begin dey change am. Talk how you see am for the comment section of this video. Una bye bye.